What's up, everybody? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I am somebody who specializes in helping you make an extra income. And guys, today we're going to be talking about how you can literally get your reselling business off the ground. If you're somebody that is starting to look into trying to make extra money, you want to make another income stream, this is the video for you. I am not going to sit here, talk your ear off, tell you all about drop shipping and how you can literally sit here and make $1 billion with a product you've never seen. I'm also not going to talk about how you can make $1 billion with said product, make you go and search and freaking try to find a supplier. Okay, and the reason I'm so emotional about this is because I've been there, I've done that, I've been in your position to where I was literally looking for products, looking for a way, looking for a product, trying to find something like this that I can literally get at any point in time and sell. I've been at the point to where I was searching up and down, trying to find a way for me to be able to make an extra income and was not able to find a way, but I could find multiple people telling me how to do it, where to do it at, and how to drop ship. I found that whole bunch of people telling me how to do that. And this was back in like 2013. I'm sitting here trying to be an entrepreneur. I'm trying to literally drill down on different income streams. I'm trying to be the best version of myself, but it's no way because I can't figure out how to find a supplier, guys. This video is going to give you everything that you need and give you every single instruction, every single instrument, and also provide a way for you guys to see literal receipts. I want to tell you guys, number one, you can do anything you put your mind to. You literally can be a reseller. You can sell on Amazon, you can sell on eBay, you can sell on MERCARI, you can sell on OfferUp. All four of those can generate you over $1,000 a month. All four of them. I'm telling you this right now. There's no way that you should be somebody that is only relying on a one income stream. So let me explain to you exactly why you want to start reselling. You want to start reselling because your job right now, the job that you even may feel like is so secure, is not going to put you in a comfortable spot. Okay, no matter how bad you want it, how much you work, it's not going to keep you comfortable. Now, let me explain to you why. Like, I talk to my mentees all the time about how they need to continue to push the envelope and develop even more income streams. And sometimes they tell me, like, listen, man, I went to college. I got a degree. And I literally am working at this job, Brandon, and all I need is just one more income stream just to pass me by. And then the other day, one of my mentees called me and tells me, hey, I'm actually going to have to leave my job because I am having a very uncomfortable situation occur with me and my boss. And I said, so what are you going to do? And she said, that's where what we've been working on for months comes in. And she said, I started this mentorship because I wanted to start more income streams so I am not stuck in this toxic situation. And I am so happy that she's able to get out of it. And whoever is listening, right? I don't ever want you to feel like you're stuck. Like you're stuck. That's how they want us to feel, like we're stuck. They don't teach us about the IRS. They don't teach us about taxes. They don't teach us that we can start a business. They don't teach us how to list products. They don't teach us that it's possible. They don't teach us about income streams. They don't teach us about finances in school. They teach us what they think we need to hear so that we can become robots just like them. And I really want to tell you, you are capable of anything you put your mind to. Forget what I'm going to talk about for a second. I don't want anybody ever to feel uncomfortable and feel stuck. I have plenty of people that work for me and they tell me stories of how they felt very uncomfortable at their jobs, but they just couldn't leave. And that is the reason why you want to be a part of not just a channel, right? Not just subscribe. You want to be a part of a family that's going to keep pushing you, making sure that you are not just becoming complacent. You want to be a part of a movement. And that's why you should make sure that you guys join the Discord, number one, but number two, stay tapped in. Stay tapped in. Figure it out. Do your research, make stuff happen, stop procrastinating, stop waiting. Invest your money into making more money. I ain't saying invest your money in the courses because that's not going to make you money right there. Invest your money into assets. And that is one of the things that I made sure we had. Assets. 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 You hear me? Assets. Now, what is an asset? An asset can be a product. Something that you know for a fact fills a void or is a need of someone else. That means you can sell it online. Amazon, Facebook, eBay, all of them, right? But you can also sell them in person, pop-up shop, flea market. You need to put your money into assets. And today I have a great example of this. So today I'm going to show you guys how somebody took advantage of this $150 box. It's called the product box. You can get it at theconnectwireless.com. Now this product box comes with 52 products, wholesale price. Each product in here, is $3.57. That's how much you're getting it for. And you're getting 42 of them. I'm talking about MagSafe cases, MagSafe chargers, MagSafe clipping, like the battery holders. You're talking about headphones, talking about AirPods. You're talking about cases. You're talking about screen protectors. You're talking about portable wireless chargers. It's so many different things in this box that literally can help you. We're talking about headphones, yes, but we're also talking about these. We're also talking about traveling packs. We're also talking about dual Type-C and USB adapters. We're talking about 10-foot cables. We're talking about so many out-of-box style cases. We're talking about so many different assets. And these assets are not just something you buy and say, oh my God, I hope they sell. No, these are things that people need. These are things people need. People are always going to need another case. People are always going to need another charger. People are always going to need this. And this is why this box is so successful. So, what I'm going to say is this. Before I read the testimonial, before I show the products that were sold, and we're going to deal with an app called MERCARI, okay? This person is selling, using MERCARI, all of the products in the product box. And I'm going to show you prime examples of how much they sold this product for. And as of lately, a lot of people haven't even been given free shipping, so we're talking about profit. Okay, we're talking about profit, deducted fees, of course, but the fees aren't really eating into their profit. We're talking about them making money, good money. Now, my biggest thing is, can you do it? Can you do it? Obviously, right? You literally can pick up a phone, unlock the phone, take pictures of a box, and make money. Why would you not want to do it? Let's say you got a job and your job is something that keeps you busy. You can do this on a job. You can do this on a job. You can do this in a house. You can do this in a bed. This literally is something you can start now. There's no time for procrastination. We're about to go to a whole nother year. A whole nother year, and I'm so excited because we're adding to the group. We're adding to the hustlers. So many people are getting money. So many. And I want you guys to be next. All right, so now let's get into what a customer, a supporter, a family member sent me. And I'm gonna read it to you guys. And literally, guys, it's warmed my heart. But most of all, it really helped me understand something. That this warrants results as long as you put forth the effort, right? And a lot of us, right? We want results so bad that we don't have a sense of strategy. And when you slow the game down and you start to really take your time and actually do your research, understand how assets, products that are literally there for you at your beck and call, whether you want to sell it to somebody next to you or sell it to somebody across the state, you're literally going to create a business. And that's what this person did. So we're gonna read. Hello, hustler. I just want to say thank you so much for the call, because I did call this individual because this individual purchased a box but left a note, and they were telling me about them and telling me about some personal things, and I just wanted to be able to just talk to him and congratulate him, but also welcome him to the family. All right, but also thank you so much for constantly helping me throughout any questions I've had throughout the week. I am a new subscriber. I found you last Wednesday. I purchased a product box the same day. The product box came on Friday, and I listed products on MERCARI throughout the weekend. It's now Thursday, and I have made a total of $276.74. I've made a profit of $126.54. So guys, this person made a total of $276.74, but then if they deduct the amount that they paid for the box, which is $150, they made $126 in 5 days, and they only sold, I believe it was 10 products. So they only sold 10 products, right? And I think it's 2 of them was a bundle. So I believe they sold a total of, give me 1 second, because I'm gonna get it. A total of, I think 17 products. 17 products, so they have 25 more products to go. But they sold it and they made $126 profit, plus got their $150 back. That's awesome. This is all while using MERCARI. This product box is helping me make more money from my check. Just like you said, because I told him, like, if you do this and you put this money from your check into some type of asset, that is literally what we call making some type of extra income and making money work for you, right? I just wanted to share my results with you and hope you put me on the video. Of course, please take care, and I can't wait to order another one. Now, one thing I want to say is this person came with the receipts, and I'm starting to like when people come with the receipts, okay? And I'm gonna talk about briefly these products, the pricing that this person did, and I thought it was really unique. So this person sold a charger, so the wireless charging pad, which I think I have one around here somewhere, okay? They sold the charging pad. Oh, it's one of the products that failed in the beginning of the video. So they sold a charging pad, okay, for $15. Right, mind you, all of these products you're getting for $3.57. Okay, it's $150 and you're getting 42 products. So that for $15. Awesome. A 3-pack 20-watt USB-C wall charger adapter with 3-pack 6-foot cables. They sold for $14. Okay. Now they have a solar power bank, which they sold for $11.76. And all of this stuff seems to include shipping, okay? So, not include shipping, I'm sorry. The customer paid for the shipping. Except for this one. This one is free shipping. They sold this travel adapter for $10. Another one that included shipping, this is $18.95 for a power bank, which the power banks are going. And again, it's the time to sell, y'all. If you are waiting, I'm telling you, I don't know what you're waiting for. The LED, the light up chargers sold it for $8, and the buyer did not have to pay for the shipping. Okay. Oh no, the buyer did pay for the shipping. Okay. The iPhone charger with adapter and the cable, $10. And then they sold a Samsung charging pack for $10 with free shipping. Then they sold a 4-pack fast charging 20-watt USB-C with the 6-foot cords for $16, and the buyer paid for the shipping. And they sold AirPods. They got $152 from the AirPods, and the MagSafe case, they sold it for $10.83, but it looked like they took it down from $12, and they paid for the shipping. So guys, I'm telling you right now, this stuff is amazing, because you don't understand how honored I am to be able to help people start making extra money. But it's not me, right? Like, this is not something I invented. It's more so me actually being able to lend a hand to people that were put in the position that I was in, right? Like, I was that person trying to become better. I was that person trying to grow. I was that person that was sort of kind of trying to find my way but didn't know how. And I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join that Discord. Make sure you guys go to I'm Hustler's Mindset. Go get the product box. Make sure you guys, if you don't do that, invest your money into an asset. We can try to take shortcuts all we want, but shortcuts are going to catch up to you. I promise you. Okay, I promise you. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know I love y'all, man, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Be safe. Peace.